Hello and welcome back, 64 subscribers and the others. I'm here with Nicole. It's her channel, but she got a new box from Stitch Fix and she is excited to open it. Nicole's an only child. She has wonderful parents. She's very tall.
I am 6 feet tall.
And when I met her, she had giant wig hair. And now she's got that well under control.
Yeah. You did cut my hair for quite a while.
I got her away from the wig at least. The overgrown. She used to work at a laundromat before I met her, a dry cleaning place, and she found crack in people's pockets. Crack pockets.
That is true.
I know, one of my favorite stories.
And I didn't know what it was. I thought it was dried up chewing.
And I wished I knew her then, so I could, whoops, get on the pipe.
Did you feed it to the squirrels? What did you do to it?
Well, when you found stuff in people's pockets, you put it in this little bag that said, found in your pocket, and you gave it back to them.
Oh, yeah. Have a good day.
What?
Oh, looks like they could be shoes. Let's take a look.
So I'm hoping these shoes are work approved.
That is called the Sperry Striper Lace-Up Leather Sneaker. The brand is the normal brand, and it's the Buffalo Twill shirt.
Ooh.
That one would be the old, I don't know what that is. Oh, a military shirt jacket. It's the Petra Solid Chunky Cardigan.
These are American Eagle jeans.
What?
What?
They are. We're back with Nicole. She's trying on 1, 2, 3 of the items.
4.
Oh, 4 of the items, the shoes, right.
Starting with the work jacket. I do like this work jacket. In fact, I like it so much that I kept a very similar looking work jacket from a different box. The jacket that I kept does not have lining, so it's kind of a bonus of this jacket. I'm not really sure that I need 2 brown work jackets.
Well, brown, or is it mushroom? It's mushroom. This is the Petra Solid Chunky Cardigan by Aylesbury.
This is different than anything I have in my closet right now. I do like the chunkiness of it. I like the oversized buttons. Kind of wish it had pockets. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Not a super fan of the roll neck, kind of like fireside with your pipe.
I feel like you need an ascot with that neck.
Mm-hmm. It's some weird guy to me. It's not you.
And moving along,
The James.
black skinny jean. I was a little surprised when I opened the box and saw that they were American Eagle. I do feel like that brand is a little bit below my age range, but nobody would know.
No,
No,
not at all.
no.
They look great
No,
on you.
to go in the store is different, but
Yeah.
when you're wearing the clothes, it's fine.
All right, and then we've got
Now
the
we're going down to the
shoes.
shoes.
Similar leather to a dress shoe, but they've got a sneaker bottom. I'm not very excited about these. What do you call this?
Leather laces.
Leather laces.
They're rawhide leather.
But
yeah.
that would be an easy thing to fix if I decided to keep these.
And this one is the normal brand Buffalo Twill shirt.
It's soft. It's a
I
nice
have to say,
texture.
this shirt is shocking me at $88 for this shirt. Well, lucky you have a good job. Keep these
And
addictions. We are back, and Nicole is ready to decide about her 5 items.
Up first, we've got the mushroom work jacket.
Military shirt jacket is $88. It did look good on you.
I like it too, but since I already have one, it's gonna go in the bag.
Okay. Striper lace-up leather sneaker is $80.
$80.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
I have a 20% off coupon at DSW if you just want to go buy them for cheaper.
All right. Third item.
Keep it.
This one I have to keep because it's the second time they've done it to me. I regretted returning it, so I'm not going to make the same mistake twice.
It was the Aylesbury Petra Solid Chunky Cardigan.
Yes.
And I have a feeling,
That one in the bag.
that big collar was too weird. No.
These are a little harder decision for me. Did think these fit really well. They were very comfortable, but I think I'm going to return them.
Here's the thing with those. It's American Eagle.
Yeah,
So
you know where they are.
you know what cut it is.
Yeah.
Get that shit on sale.
Right. I'm
Mhm.
thinking I can get those for $30, $40.
Easily.
So even though I am very not up to par as a host, How does it feel being in the other seat, being the interviewee?
I think you were a pretty easy interviewer because you didn't ask me any questions, and I was a little bit worried that you were going to ask me a lot of questions and I was going to struggle, but you didn't. So
No, I'm a deer in the headlights right now.
you want to do the outro?
Training.
I want you to take over the outro.
Thank you for joining us and watching this video. If you want to continue to see videos, you can subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.
I know.
I watched another unboxing video where the woman opened a pair of Old Navy jeans, and they weren't actually supposed to be Old Navy jeans. Like, someone had kept the $100 Stitch Fix jeans and sent back the Old Navy jeans, which in turn then got sent on to her. Yeah, so I was like, did I just get scammed with these? But
Well, your description says
Yeah.
AE,
In this case,
so-
they went to American Eagle and bought those.
Yeah.